Picture this. You add a new client to the FieldWorker app, and automatically, their case file is created with all details easily available. FieldWorker's smart workflows make that possible. Whether you're typing case notes out, uploading a document, or even using voice to text, case details are neatly stored, always accessible, and ready to be updated. Add one by clicking on the client's profile, then select Case Notes. Follow the simple steps on screen. And your team is easily documenting progress notes. You can also integrate your case notes with many other care management features. FieldWorker, the care management platform designed for care agencies.